Hello everyone, I hope you are doing pretty well today. Today we are going to talk about MetaTrader's AI. So first of all, before anything you need to create an account on mql5.com. After that, you need to open your MetaTrader and from here you need to log in into your account using your username and password. After that, you need to click on this key over here and this button over here actually, or plus alt plus slash, and then you will have this window. Please read this before using the AI. This is pretty much important. After this, you need to write your prompt. This could be about creating a script, creating experts, or creating anything you want, or even asking for analysis that based on your thoughts or based on the strategies that you have. So this AI can do some analysis. For instance, I'm going to ask it a prompt here. For instance, I ask it for a quick analysis on XAUUSD and gold on 1H time frame and to show me the important resistances in the chart for today. So I specifically asked for today. After a while, this will be finished. So like any other AIs that's out there, it's finished after a couple of minutes and you can check the important data that's here. So for instance, important resistance levels for today. Be sure that you check everything that this AI mentions with your own strategies since it's not going to be 100% correct. And that is it. Also, this AI can create scripts, experts, and even indicators for you. And it will also mention how you can use it and how you can apply it onto your chart. And that is all. Thank you everyone for joining us today, and I wish you a profitable week ahead.